Saddleback Educational Publishing's Genetically Modified Organisms. A farmer planted cabbage. It's growing. He checks on the plants. First, he sees one bug. Then he finds more. They are eating the leaves. There is a spray that kills the bugs, but it costs a lot. The farmer cannot pay for it. Soon all the plants have bugs. His crop is ruined. This is a big loss. Many pests hurt crops. Farmers can spray them, but cost is just one problem. The spray gets on food. Then people eat it. This may harm them. Sprays can hurt plants too. Experts look for other ways to kill bugs. Food needs to grow. It also must be safe. Some say GMOs are the key. These are genetically modified organisms. GMOs are living things. Scientists make them. It happens in labs. They can be plants. Animals are used too. Their genes have been changed. The goal is to fix a problem. Genes are tiny, but they are important. All living things have them. They control growth and looks. Many traits come from genes. Eye color is one. A mother has blue eyes. Her baby is born. The baby has blue eyes too. This happens because of genes. Parents pass them on. Long ago, no one knew what genes were. They are too small to see. Still, people saw traits. Farmers had animals. Some were calm. Others were not. People kept animals with traits they liked. Then they put them together. Babies were born. Good genes were passed on. More animals had them. Dogs are an example. It was thousands of years ago. Men hunted. Wolves followed them. A few wolves were friendly. The men let them stay. These wolves had pups. Some got the good genes. People kept them. Then they had more pups. This went on for many years. Slowly, the animals changed. Many think this is where pet dogs came from. The same thing was done with crops. At first, corn was a grass. Ears were tiny. People took the best ones. They kept the seeds. The seeds were planted. It was done every year. Time passed. The years got bigger. Corn became more like it is today. Farmers changed most crops in the same way. The best ones were picked. Their seeds were planted. Crops got bigger. They tasted better too. It took a long time. In the 1970s, there was a new finding. Scientists worked in labs. They had two bacteria. A gene was taken from one. Then it was put in the other. This was the first GMO. It sounds easy, but moving genes is hard. There are different ways to do it. One is with a needle. Another is with a special gun. Chemicals can be used too. The work may take many tries. Next, scientists used mice. They took genes from a mouse. These were put in an unborn mouse. A needle was used. When the mouse was born, they did tests. The baby had the new genes. It was the first GMO animal. Now, companies make GMOs. Many work with plants. They try to make them better. There are a few ways to do this. Plants get diseases. Papayas are an example. A virus hurt the fruit. Many farmers lost crops. Then a GMO plant was made. It does not get the virus. Crops were saved. Food rots too. Tomatoes get soft. It takes just days. Experts took a plant. They changed its genes. Now fruit lasts a month. Less food is wasted. Crops need water. Land is needed too. GMOs may use less water. Some grow on small plots of land. A few block bugs. These need less spray. One example is corn. Bugs eat corn crops. Scientists found a gene. This kills the bugs. The gene was put into corn. Now bugs die if they eat it. Farmers do not have to spray as much. Crops are bigger. GMO plants can help health too. There is a kind of rice. Genes were added to it. These give it vitamin A. Everyone needs this. Kids go blind without it. Most get enough, but in poor places, they may not. The rice is one way to help. Many GMOs fix problems, but not all agree they are good. Some say GMOs are too new. Changes used to be slow. They took many years. Now they happen fast. People eat GMO crops. Nobody knows if there are side effects. There may be harm. It's too soon to say. Other questions come up. Many people are allergic to foods. They were not before. Is it because of GMOs? These are in many foods now. In the past, they were not. Studies have been done. Most say GMOs are safe. Still, people wonder. More tests are needed. There is another worry. A company makes GMO seeds. It makes a spray too. The spray kills weeds, but it does not hurt the plants. Crops still grow. Many farmers like this. They save money. The problem is the spray. It can cause cancer. Tests were run. This spray stays on food. People eat it. Cows do too. Then people eat the meat. They can get sick. The earth could be hurt too. GMO plants mix with weeds. Over time, weeds change. Sprays do not kill them. Weeds push wild plants out. Bugs need these plants. Without them, they die. Other animals eat bugs. When bugs are gone, they die too. This puts nature off balance. Some farmers worry. Not all want these crops, but they have no say. The wind blows, seeds fly, then they grow. Plants get mixed up. GMO seeds end up all over. There is no stopping it. Most experts say GMOs are safe. There was a study. It used 10 years of tests. No harm was found. A U.S. office okays these foods. Companies must show they are safe. Then they can be sold. By 2020, GMOs must have labels too. This will help people shop. Still, some are not sure. Tests may not be fair. Many GMO companies do them. They want to make money. The tests could be set up. Results might be fake. It's hard to tell. The fight may heat up. GMO animals are coming. There is a fish. This has genes from other fish. These help it grow fast. In 2015, the U.S. gave its okay. The fish can be sold as food. Fresh fish costs a lot. GMO fish will be cheaper, but will people want to eat it? Many say no. Stores may not sell it. Other problems could come up. GMO fish live in tanks. What if they get out? They may mate with wild fish. This is a risk. No one knows what would happen. Wild fish might change. People could not stop it. More GMOs are in the works. There are cows. They have no horns. This makes them safer. Pigs have more meat. GMO chickens lay eggs. These may help treat cancer. The world has many people. All need food. GMOs can help. Crops grow in more spots. A few aid health. Animals grow faster. They might have more meat. These are big pluses, but there are risks too. GMOs are still new. Will they make people sick? What will they do to the earth? It may take years to tell.